Hey guys, it's me and Ollie. We're at the beach again. We tried Winthorpe near Skegness. Nothing. It was absolutely useless. Barely a signal. So we come down here, a bit of skiggy. Just got a nice sixpence. Let's have a look. Put it on my legs, see if we can get some focus in. No. And I just got 10. I think that's 10p. It's like the sand has glued itself to it, so I have no idea what's going on there. I'm almost certain that's 10p. I think Ollie's just got something, maybe. He might have got something. If he has got something, I'll show you. Okay, see what else we can get then. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful day. Look at them clouds. Look at that. On the way here, it was absolutely chucking it down. But it's nice. Now I've even got me shades on. I ain't got my feet out. My legs out, sorry. So right, see what I can get. Hey guys, just got a couple of pennies and a 1957 sixpence. My favourite coin. Just love the sixpences. Just lovely they are. Ollie, what you got, mate? Let's move mine out of the way. This isn't the roundup, just thought I'd show you how we're doing.
2 1 pennies, just one, it's an old one.
Modern 1 penny, and let's see if we can find a date on that.
I can have a look.
Hang on, mate. It's well naked. Oh,
it's got a king's head though, isn't it? So it's not.
Yeah, it's George V.
It's not Elizabeth.
No, George V. So it's quite an old one.
What do you think, 1940s?
Oh, I think below then. I can't remember now.
Oh, awesome.
So yeah, it's an old penny. So yeah, see what else we can get. I'll tell you what, actually, for those with the Xterra 705, the one thing I've worked out is hunt in if you're on a really sandy beach and there's lots of crap. Well, mind you, even if there isn't, hunt in all metal mode. Even on the dry sand, if you are getting old coins like this, because these are masked like you wouldn't believe. I mean, that was coming up ferrous. That was coming up ferrous, that little penny, because it's so cacked up. But I mean, they've been in the water so long, you see. So yeah. So I hope that helps somebody. All metal. Oh, he's just got a surface 5. You have to exit for wind. What you got, mate?
I really don't know. It's got a queen's head.
Sixpence! Hey!
Yay.
Well done, all. That's all lot.
That's a 1 penny.
Oh crap! Sorry.
I'll try and block the wind, but not the sun.
1954 lot. Hang on. Camera does not want to focus today, as usual. I've got to buy a proper video camera. The phone really is messing about. Oh, 1954. Well done, all. Just got 10p, modern 10p lot, another penny, halfpence, and I've just got a nice halfpenny. Look at that. That's really nice. 1959 halfpenny. Young Ed Lizzie, look. Lovely job. What you got, Ollie?
I'm not sure. That's why I'm handling you with care.
Let's have a look. Oh, he's got something.
Needles.
No, it's just a bit of wire. Never mind. Look at that. And there's some more coming. We've just seen a seal. There's a seal. I don't know where he is. There he is. You'll probably not be able to see it. There's a seal in the water. I just suddenly saw him. I just suddenly saw a seal on the bank. I was like, what? There's a seal. I'm going to film these guys and see if they do any, get in the air anymore. That is cool. It's very windy, sorry. Oh, there's quite a few coming down here. I'll video when they get closer. Go on, get in the air. Look at him go. That is some That is shifting. That is really shifting. That's awesome. I want to go. Oh my god. Oh, I mean, there must be a race on. There's loads of them coming down here. I thought I'd live dig this one because it's giving a good signal. Yeah, it's alright, mate. Not far. Oh, I think I just felt something then. No. Oh, what is it? Jed! How about that for a compulsory iron ring? That can stay. Hi guys, I thought I'd live dig another one because this one's fairly close. It's going to give a good signal. See if we can find it. I mean fairly close to the surface. Oh, that's typical. Ollie's just chucked. Yeah, good job he didn't roll down to me, boy.
What?
I said it's a good job he didn't roll all the way down to me. Anyway, sorry, I'm trying to live dig this.
Oh.
I can't find it.
Yes.
Hang on, just a minute. Let me just.
Oh, video.
Hang on. Oh yeah, you video then.
That's where it gets all wonky.
Right, let's have a look. See what we can get. Well, it said it was really close to the surface.
So I can get you all.
Let's go one of these, is it?
It's the strays.
I think this is a large target. It must be a large. No, it must be a really large target. Because it's really deep. It was saying it was like 2.
Seems to be getting shallower, doesn't it?
Nice. Cab.
Move in.
I'm not digging it out. It can bloody. Yeah, it's a Coke can, right? A beer can right down there.
Can't really see that.
Now, I would say that's really deep. Like,
Can't really.
but
Can't really see the bottom.
anyway. Let's find another target. Hey guys, welcome to the roundup. Oh, watch out, my hands are in the way. Mr. Krabs coming to join us, lot.
Hello.
That's typical. At least sun goes in. Anyway, right, what have we got? 10p, another 10p. Look at the state of that. Bloody sand. 3 1 pennies, half p. Get loads of them these days. My best ones are 57 sixpence, a 59 halfpenny. I'm not sure what sixpence that is. Okay, so there's mine. Right, Ollie's. Here's Ollie's.
And guys, I've got a 1 penny there. Well, that's a modern 1 penny, and then I've got an old penny there. I can't get the date of any of these.
No.
And I've got 6pence there.
Yay, Ollie got sixpence. Woohoo!
That was 6pence.
Yeah. Right, there you go, guys. Not the best of days, really. I just don't think we've had like massive weather systems to clear out the sand as opposed to the old coins. But well, it was a good day out, nice and sunny day. Beats sitting in and playing on the PlayStation.
That's just me.
Yeah. So thank you very much to everyone that subscribes, and if you've not already subscribed, please do. If you're on Facebook, we've created a group called Non-Ferrous Only. That is Non-Ferrous Only. If you do a search for that on Facebook, you'll find us. Join in, join up. Just like-minded people that are detecting. So, okay, catch you all soon. Bye.